guys, it's Laura. We're back on Thriving with PKU today, and I really hope that your 2018 resolution was not to cut out carbs, because today that's all we're talking about. We're talking about pasta and other noodles that you could use. So I talked to a lot of people with PKU and allied disorders, and I know that it can be really hard to get medical food and it can be really expensive. So I want to show you guys that you can find things in your grocery store that are lower in protein and not sacrifice the taste. Let me show you what I found. Okay, so the first product I found are sweet potato glass noodles. These are listed as 0 grams of protein. I couldn't find them on howmuchfeed.org, but I found them at my local Sprouts. They're really good. I think that they don't taste much different from pasta, especially if you're using them with sauce. The next product are Saifun bean threads. Now these I found at my Ralph's, and I've seen them at Sprouts before too. They are listed on howmuchfeed.org as 2 ounces for 3 milligrams of phi, so really, really low. I use them in soups. There's a Vietnamese noodle soup called pho that's all the rage here in Southern California. I love it, and I use these noodles for it, and I'll post it on Thriving with PKU eventually. The third one are gluten-free Tricolor Spreads by Manischewitz. But these are really good too. The only thing I'd say about these is that they're a little bit mushy. So what I would do is I would put them in a pot once it's a really, really rolling boil, so that way they get a little bit less mushy. Also, you do not want to overcook them or they will be kind of gross. These are higher, so if you're off diet or newly back on diet, this is a simple switch that you can make. Regular noodles can be about 7 grams of protein for 2 ounces. And if you ask me, a Laura serving versus 2 ounces is very different. 2 ounces is like a few bites. Laura serving is much more. So this is 4 grams of protein per 2 ounces. So it's a little bit lower, but definitely higher than most noodles. So you want to be careful, but it's definitely a gluten-free noodle that you would not notice the taste or the texture difference with. I hope you guys can find these products and use them in your cooking to make them lower in protein and to protect your noggin. Thanks, you guys. I'll see you next time on Thriving with PKU. I didn't say Tuesday. See you next Tuesday? Or no? Okay. Can I do it one more time, just in case? Okay. I hope you guys can find these products and that you like them and will use them in your cooking to make your cooking lower in protein and protect your noggin. Thanks, you guys. I'll see you next Tuesday on Thriving with PKU.